Alright, so we're doing a little day hike up here at to Stewart Falls. It's about a 3.5 mile round trip hike. Popular hike in the area. Popular waterfall. It's the 4th of July. And it's super busy at the trailhead. We're all parked on the road. There's the parking lot. There's our gang. Got Christy, her brother Mark, nephew Oz from Texas. Should be a good trip. Yeah, so we're up here at the trailhead Aspen Grove. We're going to take that trail down, across the mountain, around the bend, and up to Stewart Falls. So I got my day pack on. They're giving me a hard time. They're like, "You're not taking that pack with you, are you?" What are you doing? Spending the night? Spending a week? Thing is, doesn't matter if it's a 1 mile hike or 50-mile hike. I want to make sure I have all the gear with me that I need for whatever. First aid kit, rain jackets, you name it, it's in there. Right off the bat, got a pretty good climb right here. We're only a few hundred yards into the trail. We got to get up this to this little ridge line here, and then we'll circle around the side, and then we contour into the falls from there. Contouring around this mountain to the falls, and we're starting to see a lot of people. Didn't see anybody initially, but even with the trailhead as full as it was, these views don't suck. And we're just opening up into the basin. The falls are up in those cliffs over there. We're getting close. This is the Rocky Trail descent to the falls. Okay, so today's shout out is going to be Sandra J Outdoors. She's over in I think Iowa, I think. Eastern Iowa. Anyway, she has an outdoor channel. She does a lot of photography, really good stuff. She takes some amazing pictures. Anyway, fun to watch her stuff and get the tips that she puts out there for filming. So be sure to check out her channel. Put the link in the description. All right, here's another shot of the falls as we come down the descent. It really is a pretty trail, because you not only have the falls over there, but you have these amazing views of the mountain. It's pretty awesome. We're taking bets on how many people we see down at the falls on this 4th of July day. I guess 60, Christy guessed 40, Mark guessed 45, and Oz big guessed 30. Boy, it's getting louder and louder. Oh, there it is. Very nice. This is for the final tally. I don't know. I think we all lost. Oz is probably closest. Anyway, there's 3 more coming down the trail to help our cause. Super pretty. Okay. It's official, Oz. We count 32 people. Who guessed 30? You're the winner. That I know. You got the 2 main falls here, Stewart Falls here and there. And then when I took the drone up, I noticed that there were 4 more sets of falls that were even bigger than this one. Up, way up on the mountain up there, so I'll show that in the drone footage. It's pretty cool. Alright, we already declared Oz the winner, but we just waited 15 minutes while I did some drone footage, and we are now up to 54 people. Oh my goodness. And there are 5 more. So 59. If you count the dogs, we're over 60. That makes me the winner. Chicken dinner. Me, when I was 16, I came up here and I hiked up to that fall right there. I thought, oh, that's pretty cool. There's a little pool right there. But my friend and I, we were super adventurous and super dumb. And we hiked up this little cliff face and went all the way up and over, and we got up to that upper fall. And we stood right on the edge of that cliff right there next to the water. We were in the water initially, but then we got out of the water and we stood on that cliff, grabbing onto those little bushes up there and leaning over the edge so we could get a cool shot looking down. How stupid is that? Anyway, it's a wonder I'm even alive. So, for those of you who don't know, this plant right here is stinging nettle. It's kind of like poison oak, but if you touch it, not like I'm touching it, but if you touch it with like the backside of your hand or your leg, it gets these little poison barbs in you. It hurts. If you got hungry, you could eat it. Just got to boil it for 5 minutes. Gets rid of the poison. And the ants are chewing up this wood, spitting it out the end over there. It's pretty cool. Check that out. That tree's got a bench. That's pretty cool. That flower that's hiding in there. Huh. Well, that's pretty. Sorry, I got it. That lady right there, she is hiking with a kid on her back and a cast on her foot. That's crazy. And it is busy. Lots of cars down the road both ways. Parking lot's full. It's crazy. I'm almost a quarter mile down the road and there's still people parked on the road to go to that trail. It's so busy. Oh my gosh, these people are crazy. They're adding a half-mile hike.
Suck.
Wow.